And we're going to palpate here through the spine, okay? So a lot of what she was talking about pain-wise is going to be kind of into this upper back area, okay? We're going to kind of palpate here through the cervical position here. Okay, relax right in here for me. Excellent, okay. Same thing right over here. Good movement. Relax right in here. Okay, relax right in here for me. Excellent, okay. Let's have you lay face down right there on the table for me. First adjustment, right?
Yep.
All right, so far so good. All right, excuse me. Okay. We're going to use a little bit of lotion here on the upper back here. Okay, you can relax right in here. How'd that first adjustment feel?
Fine.
Fine, good. All right. Get right in here. Some tight muscles here, like we said, a lot of it from due to posture. So we're going to provide chiropractic treatment here. Okay. All right, relax right up here. We're going to get some cervicothoracic region movement. Good. Relax right over here. Excellent. Okay. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Excellent. Good movement. Okay. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Excellent. Good. Good. All right. Lay on. Actually, stay right there. I'm going to use some lotion on your low back as well. Okay. Get right in here. And we were kind of, we were dealing right here on these paraspinal muscles, these little muscles here, the lumbar muscles. Tender?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So again, with these types of issues, guys, she would be a good candidate for chiropractic and massage combinations. A lot of her issue, we're dealing with mainly postural type muscles, primarily right on this side. You feel that knot there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's have you lay on your side facing this way for me. Okay. Yep. So you'll lay on your side. You'll have your top leg bent like this, bottom leg straight. Move this arm right over here. Rest right in there. Okay. Take a deep breath for me, and completely exhale. Good. There you go. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Okay. Same thing here. Go top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Give me this arm right over here. Rest your head right in the center. Right there. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Excellent. Lay face up for me. Okay. Yeah. Extend your legs out right here. Okay. We're going to get some movement. Do you have ankle surgery at all here?
Yeah, right there.
We're going to leave the ankles alone.
Okay.
All right. And we're going to get right over here for some traction. She was telling us that she sees a couple of chiropractors on YouTube videos, so we're going to do a very well-known adjustment. Just not going to lock out your hips here, okay? Relax right in here. Good.